Hi guys, it's Ace from AA Global FX, and today we are looking at a free trade manager, right? So we're just going to briefly talk about the importance of a trade manager. For those who don't know what a trade manager is, it's a panel, a piece of software you can use on your charts, which calculates your lot sizes, your stop losses, and just makes it stops you from doing all the calculations of stop loss, lot sizes, risk, and everything. So we're just going to quickly look at a free tool. Today's trade manager is free. Most of the time, they will range from about $50 to $100 for you to purchase the software. But today, after looking on the internet, we found a free software which I think would be really helpful in your trading. So, when we jump in, we're looking at the importance of using a trade manager. What is a trade manager? A trade manager, like I said, is basically a tool or system that helps traders effectively manage their trades. It plays a crucial role in optimizing trading strategies and minimizing risk, right? Why use a trade manager? Risk control. A trade manager allows you to set stop loss and take profit levels. It helps you to protect your capital by automatically closing positions when predefined thresholds are reached, right? So basically, it just helps you be more efficient when trading, right? Helps you control your risk better, and it helps you just stay in a mode of just press a button and your trades are going to go through, right? Emotional discipline. Trading can be very emotional. A trade manager removes impulsive decisions. It executes trades based on predetermined rules, reducing emotional bias, right? So have you ever looked at a chart, if you've traded before and you see a position and you are trying to get in at that price, you're rushing around, you put your position on, and most of the time you won't have a stop loss or won't have a TP, and that's really not where you want to be when you're trading. You want to be in a space where you can press one button, your stop loss is set, your TP is set, and you have entered at the correct price without having to calculate anything or try and put in your stop loss manually, right? Consistency. A trade manager will ensure that you are consistent with your execution of your trading plan. It prevents deviations caused by human error or inconsistency. Like if you make a mistake on a lot size and you put a lot size which is too big for the trade you are taking, and before you know it, you are in a drawdown way bigger than you anticipated, right? And above all, efficiency, guys. It is efficient. Manually managing trades can be time consuming. We all know that we've got other things besides trading. You don't want to be sat in front of your screen trying to calculate lots, trying to manage the trade, seeing whether the trade is going to go your way or not, right? What this trade manager will do, it will manage everything for you, even trail your stop loss for you. And I will show you in a minute, right? A trade manager automates routine tasks, saving you time. And as we all know, time is the most valuable asset that we have. You always want to be as efficient as possible, and you always want to catch those trades when you're supposed to catch them, right? So we are gonna go here to MQL5. MQL5, if you've never heard of it before, is a marketplace where traders can get all kinds of software to help them trade, from indicators, expert advisors, which are trading robots, courses, reading material, everything that you can think of is on MQL5. It's quite a good website, a good utility, and it attaches straight onto your MetaTrader 5. So anything you download from MQL5 will automatically be installed for you on your trading platform. So there's no need for you to go into files, export files, and install. So today we're looking at Trade Panel Pro. It is made by Runwise FX. These guys have got really good software. Most of their software is paid, but for a short period of time, they've made their trade panel free, guys. And if you bump into this video, if you're just seeing this video, I'll suggest that you quickly go and access or download this trade manager, because out of all the trade managers I've seen, this one is by far the best trade manager. So what you would do is you would press download here, and it would automatically take you to your screen, which is MT5. So how you access that, if you don't know, let me just close the trading manager for now since I had it open. You would go to view, you'd go to navigator. After you go to navigator, you've got your Trade Panel Pro installed under your expert advisors under market. So what you would do is you would just pull the expert advisor onto the screen. You have to tick allow algo trading. All that means is that you are allowing it to run on your platform. Make sure algo trading here on top is on as well, and you press OK. Right? So guys, here's your simple trading panel. So it doesn't come pre-programmed with your settings. Of course, you have to program or configure the settings. So you go to this button, config, right? I would not worry about the additional advised settings unless you were trying to code, or you were trying to rewrite the software, or you were trying to do something extra. So what we want to concentrate on really is the risk lots, the stop loss, the take profit, right? Display options is just how you want it to look. And general settings, as you'll see here, just has the name of the company, and multi-account is off. But if you've got multiple accounts over multiple brokers, then you could switch that on, and it could manage multiple accounts at the same time, right? So we press save, and unfortunately when you press save, it takes you back to the main screen. So we'll just jump in again. So when we go to risk and lots, you have these parameters down here, and it's split into risk per percentage. So I generally use 1% risk as a rule of thumb when I trade. So I would put 1% here. If you wanted to risk an amount, so if you had a small account and you wanted to risk, let's say, $10 a trade, you would come here, you'd highlight risk fixed amount here. We would delete that 1% and you would put your $10 over there, right? So all that means is that you have told your trading manager that for every trade you take, you want to risk $10. Whatever chart you are on, it will put your stop loss at $10 for that chart. And then you've got other settings here, amount per pip, or dynamic lots, or fixed lots. That is up to you how you prefer to calculate your risk, right? So when we come back here, you have your stop loss, which pretty much is the same thing, but this is more advanced because you can set your your stop loss trail, and you can set your fixed amounts here for your stop loss, right? And all this is also pre-calculated. Once you press save, it is all saved for you, right? So if we go there, or we leave that at automatic and save, because I had not put any configurations there. So if we press config again, right here, you can calculate your take profit. In the trades we take, we usually use a 1 to 2R risk to reward ratio. You can change that to an amount or a percentage or pips. So you can say after 20 pips, take profit, or you can say after I've made $50, take profit, or take partial profits, whatever you would want. You can put your stop loss to go to break even after a trade has gone your way, or you can just trail your stop loss until price retraces to hit your stop loss, right? All this you can play around, guys. Go in here, play around with the settings, see what you prefer to do, and save. And all the other settings are the same. I would suggest go in here, guys, play around with the settings, do what you want to do, and then just start using the trade manager. So how you'd use the trade manager, it's got buy at market or set pending orders here, or buy pending orders here. right? So with this on the chart, you see that you can set everything here as well, and it will do it automatically. You can set that there as well, it will do it automatically. And if you move it, you can unpin those and then move them automatically, and they will move according to what you have set on your parameters, right? You can put a pending order here, right? Or a buy pending order. And then you can also set those stops as to how you want them set. So guys, this is a really good tool, a really good trading manager. Go download it whilst it's free. Go play around with it and see how you get on. Any questions, you can comment down below, and do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your time, guys.